Hello everyone, today we will be doing something different, something meaningful to you, our customers, that we will be renewing your old PC to a brand new one. So we call it O2Go. Let's see who is our lucky child. Wow. Oh, according to customer, this PC has been with her 6 years already. Still can use me. So we based on her request, she wanted a pink color PC. So let's see what we can do for her. This one the one So this is the completed PC and is suitable for gaming and designing. So let's see what spec we have installed. We've installed AMD Ryzen 5 3600, Galax B450M motherboard, Galax GeForce GTX 1660 Super X White 6GB, ADATA XGP Pro 256GB, M.2 NVMe, Jonspo CPU air cooler with controller, Aigo 550 watts 80 plus bronze, Aigo Dark Flash DLM22 cases in pink color, Aigo Dark Flash ARGB cooling fan, sleeve cable, OCPC RGB 16GB with 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM. Thank you OCPC for sponsoring 2 DDR4 RAMs, total 16GB. Give them a round of applause. Now, let's do a test on online Steam games to play on this PC spec. Wow, looks not bad, very smooth. For video editing, it only takes 1 minute to export in 4K video resolution. If you want to join our O2Go campaign, it's very easy. Share, like and tag 3 friends, comment below and post an old photo of your PC. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you guys soon. Thank you.